Hi everyone, I welcome you back to our 5th lesson, and these lessons are from the book that we call African Fingerstyle for Beginners. If you haven't heard of the book, I will leave the link in the description. You can have a look and check how everything is done. For our 5th lesson, we are still using the new chord, the G7, okay, in the progression, and we are learning the picking patterns as well. So we are learning the arpeggios and picking pattern both at the same time. So this is very easy and this is very interesting. So what we are looking for this lesson is to sound like this. So it's very simple, it's really straightforward. Alright, very simple. So what I'm doing the picking pattern with a note that introduces the picking pattern, okay? So like from the C, so I'm gonna have So I start on the A string, I have the A string here, and then I pick from the G, B, and E. So it's gonna be, so right after the picking, I play the G string, okay? This is the F now. On the F, still the same movement, but I start from the D string, okay, and then I pick and then I play the G string again, and then I go to the G string. So what I'm doing, I start from the E string, and I still pick the G, B, and E, and then the G string, and then I go back to F, sorry, and then C. So it's the same progression. So you can keep it interesting by not only playing the 1, 4, 5, we can switch them by playing 1, 5, 4, which will sound like. Very simple, really straightforward, and I really want to thank you for watching. And I know there are a couple of people that are coming back already from watching our previous videos, and that's really encouraging. And if you are one of them, please keep the good work, keep doing the good work, keep commenting, liking, and sharing. And if you're new here as well, please to subscribe to our channel, check as well our website, which is the www.juba.co.za, and we also post content that side that are really useful. And yeah, really thank you, and see you for the next lesson. Bye.